In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock PDF from editing in PDF XChange Editor. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open up your PDF you want to lock, and then you want to go to the File tab, top left, and you want to go to Document Properties over here on the left in the middle. Now, from here, you want to switch over to Security, which is the third tab, and from here where it says Security Method, you can see it currently says No Security, and then everything on here on the list is actually allowed. Now, to secure that and lock it, click on Security Method here where it says No Security and switch over to Password Security. Now from here, you'll be able to, of course, select what passwords you want to set. So you have to, of course, select if you want to require a password to open the document. So we don't want that. We simply want to lock PDF from editing in here in the PDF XChange Editor. So to do that, you want to click on here where it says Restrict Editing and Printing, okay? So if anybody actually wants to change anything, they will basically have to remove the password and they will have to know it. So if I go over here, it says Restrict Editing, I can click on here and set the password. I'm just going to do a simple one right now. And of course, you can select if you want to allow printing and changing. I'm going to do not allowed here. And of course, you could also set different settings, like if you want to enable copying of text, images, and other content. I'm actually going to disable this as well, so I'm not going to enable it. And then I'm going to go and click on OK over here, and it's going to say that these settings will be applied whenever the document is saved. I'm going to press OK, OK, and I'm going to save the document. There we go. And as you can see, it now has a locker on it over here. Now, of course, currently I can still edit because I haven't closed the document just yet. But if I close it like this, I go to File and I open the document again. As you can see, it's now locked over here. It's got a locker and I can't edit anything. So if I want to edit something, it doesn't work. Wherever I go, for example, in here, I can't add anything on here. I can't go and, for example, like copy stuff and stuff like that. It's just not possible, okay? So that's basically how you lock a PDF. And if you then want to unlock it, you're basically going to have to go to the same thing. So you could go to up here where it says Protect, and then you could go to Security Properties. And in here, it says Password Security, and nothing is allowed, basically. You can just click on Password Security, go to No Security again, and then it says, are you sure you want to remove security? You want to do yes. It's going to ask you for the password. Type it in, click on OK, and there we go. If I press OK again, it's now been unlocked, and I can go and save it, and the locker is gone. So that's how you do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.